guys, welcome back to myself and I. Today we are going to be doing our 50 subscriber celebration, and I'm just so excited because this is like our first really big celebration, and I'm just really happy. And the fireworks are going to be later, but I thought I'd go ahead and get a head start on the intro while I have good lighting outside. And it's currently 6:42 right now, and hopefully this is a good video. And I'm really hoping that we can get a couple more subscribers. And anyways, I guess we'll see you when the fireworks start. That failed. Let me try one more time. Okay, we're just gonna end it the normal way. See you in a bit. And I also forgot to tell you one more thing. We're also coming out with a short today, and that's going to be a shorter version of the celebration, but this just will have more. Whoa. This will just have more detail in it. Hopefully it's good. But the short will obviously have music in it. I'll try to put music in this video, but I don't know if I can. And also, we have a Colorado vlog coming out in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that, because it's going to be day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and including the travel day, so that'll be really fun. So stay tuned for that, and they're only going to be like 10 minutes a piece, and this video I'm hoping is only like 10 or 11 minutes. But anyways, we'll see you guys when it's time for fireworks, or a little bit before. We might go swimming. Okay guys, so right now I'm currently in my bathroom because, well, I have to change because apparently we are going to the pool, so we're getting in the pool, I guess. So I will see you when I'm outside. Okay guys, so I'm currently outside and we are getting ready to do our fireworks. But before we start, my dad has to go get the lighter, obviously. And I need to get some shoes because I don't want some sparks getting on my feet. Yeah, that would hurt. And so, anyways, but I am really excited because, well, Stella's here this year, and I'm kind of nervous. I don't know how she's gonna act, and the firework just went off. Ignore that. But anyways, I'm excited to do the fireworks, and I'm excited to show you guys what the 50 subscribers stand for in the fireworks. So I'll see you when we do them. Okay, so we're getting ready to start the fireworks, and we're just waiting a bit, but we're almost there, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna start like any second now. But I've decided that I'm not gonna film it on this channel. Well, I mean, I am gonna film it on this channel, but it's gonna be filmed in shorts. But don't worry, it's still gonna be in this video because I'm gonna screen record it and edit it into this video. So you guys will still get to see it, even though you don't watch the short. So anyways, we'll see when it's time for the fireworks. It'll just have a little bit of music in it. But I'll try to edit the music out because I don't know if I'll get copyrighted for it.
Sure.
Go get it. It hasn't started yet. Look, what's the video?
First, pick up location for my concealed carry purse.
You dig?
She's so cute.
Okay, pause it.
Oh, second. Not very good throwing of it.
Play, Mom. Stella, stay back.
They're pretty hot. I bet they are.
Want to give you a picture?
Yeah.
7, 8, 9. Hello.
Get a couple more, didn't
Liz wanted to know if she could call me. I said, don't take phone calls.
Those are fireworks on. I've got one.
On Thursday, and I'm telling her it'll be alright.
Up a little bit. Don't hit the fence. Up.
Whoa.
Stop going down. You keep going down.
Keep it up.
Okay guys, so we just finished doing the big balls that pop in the sky, the Roman candles, and my sister's doing one right now because we had an extra. And anyways, in a couple of minutes we're gonna be actually starting the fireworks, but we have to do our last 3 subscribers, and I know we can't do them 10, but we have to do 3 more because of 53. So we're gonna do 3 more, but we're not gonna do bottle rockets. We are gonna do sparklers. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that clip of the 53 subscribers celebration, and now we're gonna do actual fireworks, so let's do them. Also, my dog is mildly aggressive, so you might hear some growling and biting in the background, and screaming. Wow! The baby is a firework! Stella! You're okay. I'm gonna let it shine. No, don't go out. Oh, it died. Boom. Oh my God.
She's okay with the ones that are far away, but those ones that are she's not like.
We're in our beautiful umbrella LED light.